From somewhere live in South Miami, it's Cooking with Rudy, the barbecue edition. Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and today we're going to do one of my favorite recipes as we continue to count down to my favorite recipes. There's only 2 left, one after this one. This is one of my favorite barbecue dinners. It's very easy to cook. We'll go through the process. It'll be a 2-parter. One is preparation, and I'm going to show you the grilling, and then we're going to show you the end, how to mix it, how to get everything together. So, but first, my healthy shot of lemon juice. Wow. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour our water. And we'll kind of talk about everything we see here. Again, perfectly measured salt packets. And pepper. And we're going to put this in the back. Start it on high. And then we're going to go through our preparation here. So, this, like a lot of my other ones, involves potatoes. Easily accessible and very easy to cook. You got a little thing like this one. This one's actually really easy. Makes dinner snap. So what I did is I went ahead and I preheated my grill outside. Get it all nice and ready to go. And I skipped lunch today, so I'm kind of hungry. So today we're doing, like I said, barbecue. Now, one thing about, there's a small list of things I don't like about Miami. Traffic and some of the personality sometimes. But the one thing I do like is the fact that you can barbecue all year round. It's really amazing. With the exception of yesterday, I wanted to do a burger outside and it was raining. The fire didn't go. That wasn't enough. I went ahead and I slipped and landed right on my hiney, and I guess that saved me. No bruises, no broken bones. Life is good. Okay, so the meat that I choose for this is this one. This is available at Target. Target's got really good meat at reasonable prices. It is bacon wrapped around sirloin. Sorry. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop this up in small pieces like I always do. As far as the stovetop, this is still an ongoing problem. I'm not sure whose idea it was to have a white stovetop. But the problem is everything stains. I can't even get it clean anymore like I used to be able to. What happens now is I can get it somewhat clean, and as soon as I put even like a teapot up there, it instantly gets dirtied up again from the ring. I mean, it's crazy. So I'll prep the potatoes first. And I'm kind of hungry, so I did 2 of them. This is live TV, so if you see me cut myself, feel free to laugh, but then please call the local authorities. Then today it was a nice surprise at work. Was our Miami Police Department handing out some goods, some milk and some corn, some other vegetables, which I thought was pretty awesome for them to do. Bust this open here. I'm going to go ahead and boil it in the same container. So get rid of the corn silk stuff here. I always heard the word corn silk here. I never knew if that was this stuff or something else. Rinse it off real quick. I break it in half, shove it in here. And same thing with this onion. This onion thing works for me very well. Just a little bit of onion. Okay. Put it on this thing here. And this has got 6 pieces, so 3 today, 3 tomorrow. So we'll go ahead and put these in here. The rest in the refrigerator. And we do have some leftover beer. I'll pour that on top here. Might be a little too much. Putting in a little bit of our raised barbecue sauce. Okay, now some dressings. So let's do some steak. Mrs. Dash. Nutmeg. Seasonal salt. Pepper. Meat. Oh, crap. That's nice. I'll sort that out later when I go outside. And a little bit of paprika. Key to this thing is to rotate and flip often. That's the best way to make this stuff. What you want to do is take this outside, flip them often, keep beer on it, keep it kind of wet, and when you think it's done, it probably is, and we'll come back and finish this off. See you in a little bit.